One of my favorite meals of all time is a classic cheeseburger and fries. Now add on an incredible real milkshake, and I don't think there's anything better. When traveling along Highway 2 through Central Washington, Wilbur has the perfect place to satisfy that classic American craving. Welcome to Billy Burger.
Honestly, it's just the people, the atmosphere. It really feels like a hometown place where you can stop in and see all your neighbors.
Ice cream is the best, French fries, the burgers, and it's all homegrown.
It's real classic cooking here. Washington grown fries. We've got, the burgers, the fresh vegetables.
This bustling small town joint is run by mother and daughter, Lacey and Kathy, who are keeping this Washington slice of Americana running like the day it opened in 1955.
What's it like working with your mom all these years?
Get emotional.
That's fine.
Well, my mom's my best friend. I am lucky enough to be able to come down here every morning. My mom's here. That's our time together.
I love having her here. She's my organizer.
We've had to stand in line for over an hour for.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a pretty popular place.
There's nothing better than a mixed ice cream cone where you order a small at Billy Burger and it's this big.
Right. How can you go wrong with a classic, burger, fries, shakes, ice cream?
That's why we come.
It's
Because
great.
you're always going to get good quality stuff.
That's awesome.
And they're always so friendly. Everybody's happy here.
That's awesome.